Welcome. In front of me I have the Huawei Mediapad T5, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with your device somewhere in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you then have you can pop out the tray right over here. So it's right next to the charging port. Now out of curiosity, I'm gonna see if I can use my fingernail to actually take it out. Nope, never mind. So anyway, using this little tool, we're gonna pop it into this little tray hole and push it in. You can see once you push it in, the tray pops out enough for you to then be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you have space for a SIM card and SD card. So you can place both of these cards on a tray. If you're planning to use just one of them, then obviously occupy the respectable tray for it. And once the cards are in place, you can then insert them back into the device. Now do it carefully. There's nothing holding these cards in place, so they could jump out of the tray with some like bumpiness like this. Once you insert both of these cards, they should start working right away. You can see that it's already detecting the SD card and also the SIM card, as it's telling me to put in the SIM card pin. Now this is Huawei, so it is absolutely freaking annoying, and what it just did is change the language of the tablet to the language of the SIM card. Great, no one asked you to do this. So for everyone that is right now dealing with their device being in a foreign language that they might not speak, which is a possibility, Huawei, so I'm going to show you how to actually solve this stupid problem and revert back to your desired language. So we're going to click on the settings, and I'm going to do this based on the appearance. So you're looking for an icon that looks exactly like this one. You can also find it in here. Should be somewhere at the bottom, as you can see. From there, we're gonna scroll all the way down to System, which is the last option right here with this kind of like phone with an eye icon. And in here, we're looking for the fourth option right over here. So this one. And then very first one, which is the language. Now that being said, another absolutely effing stupid thing that Huawei does, apart from changing the language without even asking for it, because you know, it's not like you had a setup for a reason, it's also removing the previous languages. So I had English and Spanish added here. They're all gone. So we're gonna click on the second option now, because no matter how many languages you had added before, now there is only one, and the second one will always be add a new language, because the other one got removed. And here, simply find your desired language from the list. Now I'm looking for English. I think I already skipped over it. Yep, there we go, so English. I can choose the region, honestly it doesn't really matter. And once you add your language, you also need to then make it the default language, which you do by swiping it above, like so. Give it a second and it glitches out, and there we go. You can see we're now back in the language that was set by default and shouldn't have been changed. Anyway, so hopefully I solved your problem. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.